So, today we're going to be calculating with negative numbers. To be successful, you're going to need to use your knowledge of addition and subtraction. You're going to need to use a number line to pictorially represent your calculation, and use your previous knowledge of place value as well. I'm going to start off with this problem. How much debt would I be in if I spent £25 but only have £12 in the bank? Now, the first thing when I see a problem is I'm going to underline the key bits of information. So, how much debt? Well, first of all, I need to know what debt means. Now, in terms of money, debt is when you spend money that you don't have. So, for example, I'm trying to spend here £25, but I only have 12. So I would go into debt. So this will be a negative number, because I will be taking away more than what I have. Now, in my class, as soon as we see that we are working with negative numbers, or our answer is going to be a negative number, we draw a number line straight away. We do everything on a number line. So today you're going to be doing everything on a number line. And the first thing I'm going to do on my number line is to add my 0, because I might be needing to go both sides of the 0. Now, how much debt would I be in if I spend £25 but only have £12 in the bank? So I start off with 12 and I want to spend 25. So my calculation will be starting off with 12 and I'm going to be taking away the 25 that I'm trying to spend. So on my number line I'm going to start on 12. And I want to take away 25. So I'm going to be jumping back 25. Now, doing that in one jump is going to be quite tricky, so I'm going to break this into smaller jumps. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to jump back to 0. That would be taking away 12. So 12 take away 12 is 0. Then I just need to think, how much more do I need to take away? If I'm taking away 25 in total, and I've already taken away 12, then I'm going to need to take away another 13, because 13 add 12 will equal the 25 that I'm taking away. So if I am on 0 and I'm taking away 13, if I was to count back, I would get to minus 13. So I would be in minus £13 of debt. So I'll keep that there. I'm going to write here minus £13 debt. Do not forget your units. So now we're going to look at this problem. At 6 AM the temperature in Eastbourne was minus 5 degrees. By 2 PM it had risen by 14 degrees. What is the temperature in Eastbourne now? So first thing I'm going to do is underline my key bits of information. I'm not fussed about the time, I just need to know that was what the temperature was in the morning. I'm not fussed by the place because it doesn't change the place at all. So by 2 PM it had risen, so risen I think is an important thing. And I've got to think, well, what does risen mean? To me, risen means going up. And in order to go up in maths, or increase in maths, I'm going to be adding today. And it's going to be going up by 14 degrees. So my calculation here will be minus 5, that's where it started in the morning, and I'm going to be adding that 14 as it has risen 14. So, first thing I do is my number line, mark my 0 in the middle, and I'm going to be starting on minus 5 this time. That's what it was in the morning, and I'm going to be adding 14. So instead of doing one whole jump, I'm going to do it nice and easy, small jumps for myself. So to get to 0, I'm going to need to add 5. Then I need to think, how much more do I need to add in order to have added 14 in total? Well, 5 add 9 equals 14, so I'm going to add another 9. So 0 add 9 gets me to 9. So my answer will be 9 degrees Celsius, remembering your units. Now your task today is to answer the 5-worded problems, remembering to use a number line to show your workings and to show me pictorially. Then you have 4 other questions that will test your understanding of negative numbers. Remember to use those number lines to support you. As per normal, all answers are underneath.